Hello friends, welcome to Baby English Tutorial. আমি বন্দনা। বন্ধুরা, today is the 6th day of my spoken English class. In this class, I will try to speak on the topics in which I have passion, I feel emotion, and the very topic is nearest to my heart. Success defines different meanings to different people. To some people, success means gathering money more and more, purchasing one after another flat, one after another car, purchasing real estate, purchase gold. Having these type of properties are the symbol of being a successful person. Some of my friends told me that to have an obedient husband and one or two children with required wealth is to them a successful life. They don't want to know themselves. To know myself or themselves is a disgusting topic to them. Some another type of friends of me told me that to them success means to travel from one place to another. Whole life they want to explore some unknown lands of this world. They don't want to be bound by their relations, by their family, by their dear and near ones, even by their well-wishers. You can say that, what does success mean to me? To me, success means to do some work that helps not only me but also help the people who are related to me. I don't want to go forward alone. I want with me my dear and near ones, my well-wishers. In a word, I want the very people who become interested in moving forward with me. I want to take them with me in the journey of my life. Success appears to me at another perspective. To keep physically fit and be mentally peaceful is more important than anything else to me. And I think to enjoy a health that is free from any disease is the most important. As our body and mind are the inseparable part of our existence, so if we don't keep our body fit, we cannot get mental health. We cannot be mentally healthy. To keep our body fit, we have to take exercise regularly. As we cannot live without taking water, as we cannot live without drinking water, so our habit should be built in such a way that we feel discomfort, we feel uneasy whenever there is a chance of skipping, whenever there is a chance of missing our daily exercise. To be very honest, I think when we take exercise, we get some personal time during which we can talk to ourselves, we can measure, we can judge the right or wrong of our work that we are to perform every day. So, I want to request you all to take exercise regularly to enjoy a fit body and a fit mind. It is said that prevention is better than cure. And I think our preventive power or immune system can be boosted up only through taking exercise regularly. In spite of executing all the healthy habits that are good for our mind, that are good for our health, we may face difficulties, we may face adversities, we may face sufferings, even we can face depression. These different type of problems we can face. Then there are two options we can accept. One is being happy despite all types of hazards that are the side effect to lead a life at this loving earth. Another is feeling bad, feeling unhappy. I think happiness is a choice, and for a lot of reasons, I want to choose to be happy. And I request to all of you to choose the option of being happy. Then Happiness will come to your life gradually. In this video, I try to speak to choose the option of being happy. That happiness will enlighten, that happiness will broaden your life. Stay connected with your higher self. Thanks to all.